Long before the written word and the hustle of civilization, there existed another form of communication: art. A time when humanity reached into the depths of their creativity to express themselves, even when the world was harsh and unyielding. Imagine standing in a dark, echoing cave, your fingers grazing the rough stone as you prepare to tell a story that transcends time. The flickering light of a fire dances across the walls, and as it casts shadows, something beautiful begins to emerge from the ancient darkness. In this primeval world, humans were not merely focused on survival. They were creators, dreamers, and artisans. Using the earth around them, they gathered pigments and created early masterpieces that spoke of life, death, and everything in between. The soft strokes of their fingers painted the bodies of bulls, deer, and horses, their breath entwined with the fire ash and ochre that clung to their skin. These images whispered tales of the hunt, of reverence for nature, and of their very existence, etched into the stone for future generations to discover. But the reasons behind these creations remain enigmatic. Were they messages to the unseen spirits that roamed the vast landscapes? Perhaps they served as rituals to connect with the universe, or narratives meant for the ears of children tucked in the warmth of the caves. Each handprint left upon the rugged surface was not mere decoration. It stood as a promise, an imprint of existence that still resonates through the ages. Every carving, from the intricate details of life-sized figures to the tiny, powerful Venus of Willendorf, symbolized humanity's deep-rooted belief in the divine and the sacred, eternally connecting them to the cycles of life. Prehistoric art existed not just on cave walls, but flourished in diverse forms, carved from bone, molded in clay, or crafted into wearable symbols of belief and protection. The echoes of these nameless artists travel through time, sparking curiosity and awe. They remind us that the act of making art is as intrinsic to the human experience as the act of breathing. It is a continuous thread woven into the fabric of our history. Today, this ancient spark of creativity resonates within every artist, musician, and dreamer, urging us to leave a mark on the world just as they did millennia ago. Our journey, like theirs, is elegantly eternal.